everybody, it's Delilah and welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed a different kind of a video for you guys. It is my very first cleaning video / organizing video. I love watching these videos for inspiration and motivation, and I hope you guys can get that out of this video. With spring around the corner, I felt like I really needed to go through my closets and the hidden spaces in my home, the spaces that have not been cleaned or organized for a very long time. So I went through mine and Zach's closet. I went through our shoes / coat closet. I went through our cold storage, and I went through my makeup drawer, which I know are all really random things and they don't really go together, but these are the spaces that really needed a good cleaning and organizing, and I was able to just declutter and get rid of so much stuff, and I feel so much better about it. So I'm going to dive right into this video and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so we're starting off in my closet, and as you can tell, it's not that bad, but it was about time for things to be gone through. There were toys all over the floor from Eloise, and that middle section, as you can see, was just full of overflowing boxes, and I had a whole bunch of clothes that I never wear anymore, so I went through all of that first, just got rid of anything that I don't wear, and I got Zach to do the same thing, and then I started to tackle the middle section. So I got some new boxes and baskets. These are all from the Dollarama, and I just went through and organized things, or things like those hair elastics that just really needed to be put into a bag, and organized things that needed to be thrown away or put into a different box. So I just went through everything. And this electronics box was a tangled mess. I'm happy to report it looks a whole lot neater now and is actually usable. And then things like this travel box, it was just completely overflowing. So I transferred everything into a new, bigger box. Then I moved up to the top shelf and I rearranged a few things so that the things that we use more often would be easier to grab, and the things that we don't reach for often could be tucked into the back. So I just rearranged things and shuffled things until I liked the way it looked. And this is the finished product. Somehow I lost the clips of the before, but you get the picture. It looks a lot better than it did before. Moving on to my favorite closet, or closets I should say. This needed to be done. I hadn't done this ever since we moved in. We couldn't even fit the car seat into it. So I found these hanging shoe organizers from Amazon. I'm so pumped about it because it just works so much better for this space. So I started out by moving everything out of that closet that I wanted to hang the shoe organizers into, and then I moved all of the shoes from our shoe rack onto the hangers. One is for me and one is for Zach. It takes up so much less space, and it's great that I could just get it off of the floor, because then I could transfer the boots from the other closet into this closet, so we can have all of our shoes in one closet. Then I also transferred the out of season jackets into that closet as well, and then in summer I'll switch them out according to season. And then I could finally fit the car seat and diaper bag into this closet, and it made me so happy. Then I started to tackle the top shelves, and to be honest, I had no idea what all the stuff was. Most of it's from Zach, lots of it's house stuff, so I just took it all out, wiped down the shelves, and organized them into these nice big bins. How much nicer and neater does that look? It makes me so happy to look at this closet now and to know that it's all nice and organized, and we have more space than we ever did before. Next, I tackled my makeup drawer. Now this wasn't that bad, but there was a lot of stuff that just needed to be thrown out, or things that I just never used I wanted to get rid of. So I started by taking everything out and wiping down the drawer because it was disgusting. Eloise joined me for this part, so I basically just sat down and went through everything and got rid of anything that I don't use anymore. Also, I added another organizer to the collection. All of my organizers are either from the Dollarama or Walmart, so all very cheap and affordable. So I organized everything according to how much I use them. So everything that I use on a regular basis goes in the front, and things that I don't use as often went into the back. Once I was happy with how everything was looking, I arranged them all back into the drawer, and I continued to fiddle with it until I was happy with how it looked, and I was done. Lastly, I tackled the cold storage. Now this is a really great space. It's got tons of shelving, so much storage, but over the past 2 years it's just accumulated a bunch of stuff and it didn't look pretty anymore. We have a whole bunch of stuff like house things, paint, tiles, so I just wanted to organize that a little bit better, make it look neater. I also had a bunch of little kitchen appliances that I never used, so I got rid of a bunch of those things, as well as a ton of jars that I've just collected over the years and I never use, so I got rid of a bunch of those as well. Then I started to rearrange all of the jars that I wanted to keep and all the appliances I wanted to keep, and just arrange things into a way that I liked. I wanted to keep the cleaning supplies away from the food, so I also moved that to the far shelf. And then I tackled this little food section, which wasn't that bad. It just needed to be rearranged a little bit so it looked a little bit neater. I have no idea why we have 4 things of honey. This is the finished product. It looks so much nicer and neater, and I feel a lot better when I walk into there now. This is all the stuff that I ended up giving away from those 4 spaces. I couldn't believe it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more mommy and lifestyle videos. If you want to follow me on social media, I'll leave my Instagram link down below. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!